Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the fix, the solution cannot find drives when installing Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for Asus providing this article. So here, this article provides a troubleshooting guide on how to solve this issue. As you can see, when you try to install Windows 11 or 10, there is no hard drive. Windows cannot read, couldn't find any drive to get storage driver. You can click load driver, but again there is no driver. So here you can try to download Intel Rapid Storage Technology Intel RST driver. So you can download from asus.com or you can download from Intel official website and put this driver to a USB that contain Windows 11 or Windows 10 installer inside. So after you download and put on the flash drive or external drive, here the guide for you. You can try to install IRST driver, connect the USB flash drive that containing Windows 10 or 11 installation again, and proceed with the Windows 10 or 11 installation process again. If you need to know how to install using installation media, please refer to this article. So here, when you see this screen where you want to install Windows cannot find drive, please click load again, load and browse, and then you can find the folder where you extracted the RST driver earlier. Then you can select the folder, click OK. Then you can select RST VMD controller, then click next to install the driver. Once the drive installation is complete, the disk drive will display normally here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.